Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Mother Fashion YouTube channel. This is official Mother Fashion YouTube channel, so please girls like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. In this channel you will see 100 new design, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. New West fashion, US woman, UK woman, American woman, the worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my video. So today we are excited to bring you a fantastic and chic plus size lady dresses showcase. We firmly believe that fashion is for everyone regardless for size, and today we are celebrate the beauty of diversity with a stunning collection of dresses perfect for plus size ladies. So let's dive right in. Our first category is all about casual comfort because style should never compromise on comfort. We selected a variety of loose fitting, flowy and flattering dresses that are perfect for everyday wear. From cute printed maxi dresses to stylish wrap dresses, these pieces will have you look effortless chic. So guys, you see Mother Fashion YouTube channel official, so please guys like, share and subscribe our channel. We have elegant evening for those special occasion when you want to dress to impress. Our collection features glamorous gowns, figure-hugging shades and elegant aligned dresses that accentuate curves and make you feel like a million bucks. Now let's dive into the world of trendy patterns from bold flora to classic polka dots. These dresses prove that plus size fashion can be fun, playful and fashionable. Embrace your personality with confidence and let your outfit speak for itself. Please girl like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. We understand that looking polished and professional is essential for workplace. In this segment, we have created a collection of office-ready dresses that are not only stylish but also exude elegance and sophistication. Say goodbye to the dull office attire. Please girls like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. One thing I want to tell you, I am not selling any kind of these dresses. This video is just made for you, so please girls like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and support me. As we embrace the sunny days, we cannot forget to include summer must-have, whether it's a breezy sundress for a beach day or a chic dress for a rooftop party. These outfits will keep you looking fresh and fashionable all summer long. Before conclude, it's take a moment to talk about the importance of body positivity and self-confidence. No matter your size, you deserve to feel beautiful and comfortable in your own skin. Fashion is a powerful tool that can boost self-esteem and celebrate individuality. Embrace your curves, own your style, and remember that you are fabulous just the way you are. And that's our wrap. We hope you enjoy this showcase of stylish and chic plus size lady dresses. If you found something you loved or have any fashion tip to share, leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more inclusive fashion content, thank you for watching and remember fashion is for everyone. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.